Welcome in this course. How many times as a business owner you you thought about this idea that what if I will have a website which is not public, which is very secure, where you can store your data, where you can have the things based on access that rule wise people can access their stuff, and you will have your task, your meetings, your calendars, your bookings, everything at one place. And that is what SharePoint is for. SharePoint is a website development tool for your company intranet. So we will see in next video how you can create SharePoint site, how you can create list under SharePoint, how you will create documents under SharePoint, and how you will add all those other applications in SharePoint.